In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Hulu in the UK, even though the service is not officially available in the region. Let's get started. Hulu is only accessible in the US, so if you're in the UK, you'll need a virtual private network, VPN, to bypass geo restrictions. Follow these steps. Choose a reliable VPN. Sign up for a trusted VPN service like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or Surfshark. These providers offer fast speeds and servers in the US. Download and install the VPN. Install the VPN app on your device. Smartphone, tablet, computer, or streaming device. Log into your VPN account. Connect to a US server. Open the VPN app and connect to a server located in the United States. This will make it appear as though you're browsing from the US. Sign up for Hulu. If you don't already have a Hulu account, visit hulu.com and sign up for a subscription. Choose a plan that suits your needs, such as the ad-supported or ad-free option. Stream Hulu. Once connected to the US server, open the Hulu website or appy and log in to your account. You can now stream Hulu content as if you were in the US. Alternative options. If you prefer not to use a VPN, consider subscribing to Disney Plus or other platforms, as some Hulu content, especially originals, may be available internationally through Disney Plus or other services. For the best experience, ensure your internet connection is stable and your VPN is optimized for streaming. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy streaming Hulu in the UK.